Hi, I'm your breath.
Think about it. How fast would your body panic without me? No food. You can last a few weeks. No water? A few days. But without me, it only takes moments before everything goes into alarm mode.
If you split the human body into two parts, the body and the soul, I'm the one people compare to your soul.
So why do we take care of the body every day? Showering, washing our hair, getting massages, but ignore me?
You can train me daily with a simple breathing count. All right, listen to me.
If you want better sleep, practice 4-7-8 breathing every day.
Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold for 7 seconds. This is the moment you notice your body the most. Exhale slowly and deeply for 8 seconds.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Exhale a long, gentle breath through your mouth.
Repeat 4 rounds, or practice for 10-15 minutes at night before bed.
That longer exhale tells your brain, you're safe, you can relax.
Your heart rate settles, stress drops, and your body slips into deeper sleep more easily.
Comment Alu, breathe if you want me to keep this Organ Speak series going.